I just got a package from Firmoo and I'm super excited because I have been meaning to update not only my glasses style, like I have that signature pair that needs to go now. I also wanted to update my prescription because, yeah, we need to see. So I have two pairs of glasses here from Firmoo and I'm super excited about them because I have been seeing Firmoo on my timeline forever. And so let's do a little try on haul and see if these glasses match my style. How about that? All right, now let me see which one's in here because I got two different styles, guys. I got one that was this. Let's save that one for last. I got one that is regular and then I got one that are sunglasses. I'm super excited about the sunglasses. Let's do that one last. Okay, so you see that come in a plastic case, which I am now going to start taking around in my purse because I have a problem with scratching up my glasses. Ugh. So these guys were only $27. Like seriously, I cannot believe that they were only $27 because look at this. Look at the style. I love that they're metal. My last glasses were all plastic and that was cute and colorful, but I really wanted something a little bit more elevated. And so I really, that's why I picked this one and I just love it. You see, it's kind of like a cat eye and then look at that detail. Oh, I love that. Let's try it on and see if it, ooh, child. Oh my goodness, I can see again. Woo! This is like night and day, but do you like it? What's the style? Like I'm looking in the mirror right here and these are it. These are it. I feel like her. Do you like them, guys? Oh my God, I love these. These are my new signature style. These are my new signature glasses. I love these. I really think I knocked it out of the park with that. And Firmoo knocked it out the park with the price point and the style of these glasses. And I can see, like, I'm looking out my window right now and I can see ducks all the way across the pond. Like, ooh, okay. So those are cute. Those are absolutely signature style worthy. I love that. But I'm super excited to actually try the sunglasses, or as we would say in Jamaica, the shades. Let's put on the shades and see if they're cute. I'm not nervous. I'm excited because you know I'm a beach girly and you know you want to have on your sunglasses at the beach to be cute, but I also need to see. So I've never been able to actually wear sunglasses at the beach and be able to see as well. So I'm excited about the possibilities. All right, let's check them out here. Ooh, this is so unique to me. Like I have on sunglasses, the room got dark, but I can still see. I am blown away, guys. And I'm looking in the mirror and I'm feeling myself. You can't tell me these glasses not shot. Oh my God, guys, don't you love them? I need to go put on I need to see the full fit. Like, talk to me nice. These glasses are it. I love them. I absolutely love them. These guys were less than $40. Look at it. Look at the quality. Look at the build. But I'm gonna do you one better. This code that I have on the screen right now, of course, I'm gonna put it down in the description box below, gets you 50% off anything that you want from Firmoo right now. Get your prescription glasses, whether it's regular or sunglasses like me, and be fly and be able to see. That's the important part. I'm gonna put something on and let me go match the vibe. Now look it. Now I feel the vibe. Oh, I feel sexy. I feel smart. I feel sophisticated. Oh my God. Like I am legit. Like this just elevated my entire outfit. Let me give you. This just elevated my entire outfit style. This goes. But this, oh honey, you see I made sure to put on a sundress because We are walking the boardwalk. We are chic. We are out shopping. We are cute. We are casual. But we are hot. Oh yes, honey. Like Firmoo, you did your big one. These glasses hit. I love them, and you get them for 50% off using the code in my description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love your glasses as much as I love mine, and I will see you all in the next one.